In Back to Eden, almost anything can be a weed. This here is garlic. There's another patch of garlic right there. Another one right there. And then there's some that I planted. Right here is black raspberries, and they started off as like one plant that grew up from, I believe it was over in there, because I had a black raspberry spring up from somewhere over in these trees. This is calendula. Now I have taken quite a bit out, so you only see a few right now. But there again, you know, they just spread. It's a Back to Eden garden. Last fall, I planted this comfrey and this comfrey, as well as this one here, and I planted one over here. However, I did not plant a comfrey over here. And yet, here it is. Several years ago, over in here, I planted a chocolate mint plant. And I just got through pulling up a bunch of them the other day. They look something like this. And while I don't have any left over there, I don't think, somehow, some way, they ended up clear on the other side of the garden. There's a whole bunch of them. Let's see if I can find them here. Right here. This is all chocolate mint. All of these plants that are laying down on me is garlic chives. I started out with one little plant, and there's some back under those raspberries there. Even the strawberries that we started this video out with have grown from, I think it was about 2 plants that took off. The rest of them died. But this whole patch has grown from those 2 plants. You got some there, you got some over here, you got some back over there. Anyway, you can see my point. I am a bad gardener because I haven't really been in the garden for the last several years. But this is what nature does by itself. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless. And see you next time.